Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Faiza. Let's explore further regarding the planning of our website, which is the famous perfume in town, which is Fabulous Perfume. A website that we have created to provide a quick and easy way of communicating information between buyers and seller. We list our opening hours, which is operating hours, contact information, show image of location or product, and use contact form to facilitate inquiries from potential customers or feedback from existing one. We can even upload a promotional video to really engage our customers and sell our product, which business in an effective and cost efficient way. Next, the purpose of the website itself. Customer can easily browse the business website with the variety of menus contained in it, so that customer can expand their desire to purchase as soon as they got interest on the business product. We need also to create this wonderful website that can process the online credit card, which also will have the built-in functionality to accept and place order, so that the outcome process to deliver the product becomes smooth and easy for customers to use our website. Apart from that, create a website with a mobile ready design to help customer place their order easily, placing their order by only through their phone mobile or compared to computer. The third one is the goal of the website itself. We need to build an efficient and constant addition of new information to the website, as we expect a lot of website users. We have to make sure our website provide our beloved client with good details. That way, we can target 600 customers per week for visitors. Some clients may think it's more convenient to walk in than to use a website. So to draw more visitors from time to time, we are going to build a creative website, which also must be contain location. With the use of this innovation, it can simply turn the website visitor to a purchasing, as they are included in the target customer of the business. In the conclusion, we could see the research and development has provide a lot of comfortability to the customer, as this platform is very powerful, not only for Malaysian, but also can be linked to from all over the world, and there is no limitation in using worldwide internet connection in order to get product from Fabulous Perfume. That's our target audience. Furthermore, they need to attract the new existing customer, fragrance lover, and those who don't like to buy item physically. We need to promote the website through our social media, since Fabulous Perfume have 93,000 followers. While they are scrolling their Facebook account, they can make an order through our website that will attach and automatically will attract them to buy the perfume from the sites. Thus, they also can come walk in during the weekend, when they can smell the various fragrance by themselves. We move on to the analysis and discussions. Open Source Matters created Joomla, a free platform and accessible content marketing software for producing digital content. The Joomla Edition Catalog involves a large number of verified third-party extensions that are easy to find. We have installed navigating towards this portal to allow for easy navigation of product item accessibility. It also given our comfort to the user when utilizing and exploring our website. We also provide information about us in our user wish to learn more about our company's histories and specific information regarding our product. Okay, let's continue to our website. We have 4 extensions, which is home, about, women's sites, and men's sites. In about, we have about us, vision and mission, our location, and contact us. For women's extension, we have bestseller women's, all women's lastly, for men's side, we have bestseller men's and all men's product. On top of our homepage, we created several pictures that when you slide or they can automatically move to another picture as an advertisement. Before we go further, you can see here, we contain Facebook, Instagram, website and Telegram, which is we to put on top so that a client can reach them by click for example this Instagram. So customer can see our stories, we will update regularly in our Instagram especially, so client also can look out at our feedback. This is list for men's perfumes, and next we also have list perfume for women also, so customer can reach them easily here when we link our Instagram through the website. Basically, this is our home page, which contains a happy customer receive their fabulous perfume as a gift, and top smelling perfume, and also fabulous perfume and their themes. At below of the homepage, we contain our vision, be bold, be fabulous. The first extension in about contain our about us. We put our fabulous perfume logo, then a little bit fabulous perfume history, where they are first established and how they got their names. Also, which fabulous perfume inspired from. Next, in our website, we also contain tagline, vision and missions in extension in about. So as you can see, the below of the website, you can just click the and link to our Facebook, website and Telegram if customer have any inquiries. Next, we also put our location, which is our main base in Johor Bahru. If client wish to walk in, so they can go and through this web page and see our exact location. Last but not least, in about extension, we also contain our contact so that client can reach us here. We come over the most important part of the website, which is list of the product. The last two extension we created for women's and men's perfumes. For both extensions, we put 3 page because there's a lot of listing for perfume for customer to choose based on their favorite. So when customer click the product, they can see like this. We can zoom the picture. The base note of the product scents are also included in the list of information that we publish. These details are those for who fully understand what type of scents they want when it comes to choosing a fragrance, and also want to make absolutely sure it is indeed right for them. The goal for the whole website is to assist and encourage buyers to feel at ease and confident with that of the smell of the perfume and service offered by Fabulous Perfumes. Customer also can choose which size that they want. We put 3 size. These are the examples for a customer when they want to purchase our product, so they can click from the extension which whether it's a woman or men's size, so they can choose what size and increase or decrease the unit. So overall, I guess that's all for the review of our website.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hidayatul Syuhaida binti Burhanuddin. So I will elaborate more about topic 5, development and testing. So normally after designing, the development process, also known as prototyping, takes place. So during the development phase, the product is tested to check if it is running smoothly. Like for example, we use the internet to access our shopping cart, place order, and online payment gateway, along with many other things. Okay, so as a result, while analyzing, we uncover flaws and solve them as soon as possible, which can help to save the money. Okay, so first we will link the testing, for example, to check that all the pages and links are operational and no page or links are malfunctioning. Outbound links, inbound links, and anchor links were all examined. Also, to be sure that the sites that are utilized to post messages to domain like admin are secure. Okay, so next, for the usability evaluation, it can be split into 4 phases. To begin, it must develop a comprehensive strategy that examines all aspects of the websites, such as accessibility and content. Okay, the very next step is to find direct or indirect applicants to take the course. The portal will then be put through as it paces with the help of specialists. Then finally, analyzing the results and make changes to the website if needed. So browser compatibility. Web browsers have various settings that can affect how the website works. So a cross-browser network must be supported by the coding portal. Security screenings for web pages often focus on ensuring compatibility with all browsers, including Internet Explorer, Firefox, Netscape Navigator, AOL, Safari, and Opera, and maybe Google Chrome. Okay, so for operating system compatibility, some application components appear differently on different operating systems. Compatibility tests should be carried out on as many as different operating systems and browsers as possible in order to ensure compatibility. So users today have different preferences, so it is important to test as many different platforms as possible. So next, mobile browsing. To make sure the software looks correct on all devices, you can test its consistency. Okay, so this is because each cell phone has different requirements and the currency in each country is not the same. It refers to the Web Application Testing Complete Guide, How to Test a Website 2022. So for the interface test, the main interfaces between web server and application server, an application server and database server are verified to be working properly. So if the application server query error messages and return from the database or web server, the application server must properly collect these error messages and display them to the user. So for the security testing is essential for any websites that store sensitive customer data such as credit card numbers. Some of the test cases for web security testing are conducted by visiting the internal URL directly in the browser without logging in. So do not open internet websites. Files and folders in your download folder should not be accessed directly. So to make sure that the privacy of the website is protected, we use a high level of security. We check a web security to detect and fix possible vulnerabilities. In addition to that, we also need to back up our website periodically. So we have backups in all of our website information in the event of our site becomes unavailable or our data is unexpectedly lost. So we are looking for a web host providers who have their own server backups and automatically back up our website as well as our databases and content manually. So for the next chapter is SEO, release and search engine optimization. SEO is an abbreviation for search engine optimization in layman's word. It refers to the process of optimizing your website in order to boost its own exposure for relevant queries. Okay, there are 7 essentials of SEO. First, select a distinctive domain name. Choose the hosting and domain website address. Consider the spelling, branding possibilities, and keywords when choosing these vital pieces of digital property investment. Next is to conduct keywords research. Before you begin adding content to your website, you should conduct comprehensive phrases research to determine which phrases to target your audience users while browsing over your goods or services. So the third step is to create your content. High quality content is the foundation of your communication with the clients and the means by which websites attain top rankings. Okay, the fourth step is to optimize your code while generating content for users is essential. You must also consider whether you structure your website's coding so that search engines can access your information. The fifth phase is technical setup. You must assess the success of your SEO techniques and the performance of your website. How many visitors does your website receive each month? Which pages seem to be the most visited? How long do people spend on your website, and so on. So for the sixth step is earning links. Links remain a significant ranking criterion and a wonderful signal of what content is useful and important. However, gaining lots of links rapidly is not as important as acquiring quality and authoritative sites to connect to your website. And the final stage, which is number 7, is to check items after the launch. Usability of the critical for SEO and also for keeping your visitors satisfied.